Um, we have been coming down here to Tijuana to see Dr. Alvarez-Carrera for almost 4 years. I have a very complex and complicated mouth, and have had a huge amount of dental trauma in the past. And a friend of Jeffrey's was coming down here to see the doctor, and so I tracked that for about 9 months when our friend was coming down, and he just really appreciated the quality of the service that he was getting, and I was impressed with how it was unfolding for him. He was also getting a bunch of implants put in as well. So it looked really good to me, it sounded really good to me, and so we gave it a shot and came down, and the first day we were here, I felt so safe and so secure and so heard that I was absolutely ready to begin a very complex procedure that's at this point been, I think, 12 implants in my head. And I feel like the service, the conscientiousness, the capacity and the technical skill of this office has been unsurpassed in my experience of great many dental experiences. The whole staff is fabulous. I feel so at home, I feel so cared for. I feel the technical skills are superb. Very often when the dentist is working on me, he'll say something almost to himself that will say, "There, perfect." And it's one of those incredibly comforting things when I've had huge procedures done. Coming down to Tijuana has been kind of an adventure for us and has been no problem. We live about 7 hours away from here, and so we come down and make a little bit of an adventure out of it, and it's been absolutely safe and easy and no problem to come into Tijuana at all, and that's been important.
That was one of the concerns that we had, was coming across the border and how do we get here. So my friend says, it's very easy. You just come down and you park right at the border. You walk across. As soon as you get across the border, there's a taxi. You give them a card, and in 5 minutes you're here. And the fun begins, and it's like coming to see family again.
Yeah.
We've been coming here so often. So.
Yeah.
And one of the other things that we have found was that when we tell our friends about Dr. Carrera, and there's almost a prejudicial slant toward other doctors from foreign countries. And so when I tell them that Dr. Carrera was a graduate of Loma Linda, one of the most prestigious schools in the United States, and not only was he a graduate of it, but he also taught at the university, they kind of stand back and say, "Oh." So both of those things have been real comforting. But I have to say that coming here with Jeannie and being able to fully watch all the procedures and ask questions has been not only insightful, but it's been very helpful for our understanding of what's going on with Jeannie.
Yeah, it's been very educational for us, for sure. And I couldn't be happier with the work. I highly, highly recommend coming to this office and doing what you need to do to get here and make this happen. It's been fabulous, fabulous. And I've got a great smile.
I'm not afraid to use it now.
And I'm not afraid to use it now. That's true. That's true.